chicken soup with escarole and meatballs. Place the chicken in a pot. Cover the chicken with water and let it come to a boil. In the meantime, make the meatballs: ground turkey, breadcrumbs, parsley, salt, garlic powder, some black pepper, 1 extra large egg, and Parmesan cheese. Mix the ingredients and form the meatballs, small meatballs. Place the meatballs in a baking dish. Add some olive oil at the bottom and place the meatballs. Place the meatballs in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the meatballs are baking, add the chopped vegetables to the soup. Onions, celery, and carrots. And add extra water. In the meantime, cut the escarole in half and chop the escarole in bite-sized pieces. Escarole must be washed thoroughly or several times until the water comes out clear. Add salt to the soup. As you can see, the meatballs are golden brown. Add them to the soup and add the escarole as well. Escarole should be nice and soft. I'm just going to put a little bit of rice. Just a little bit. You need to make this. It's healthy, it's delicious, and it's just out of this world. Now I'm going to eat the meatballs. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with Pina. Ciao, arrivederci alla prossima volta. Ciao ciao.